Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us see how to prepare panna. For around 4 cups of juice we need 2 raw mangoes. Peel the skin and chop them into fine pieces. To this add a cup of water and cook this until it is soft. Once it is soft, switch off the flame and let it cool down. After it cools down, transfer this into the mixie jar. To this add few mint leaves and grind it into a fine paste. This is ready. Let us transfer this into a bowl. To this add 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of black salt, half a teaspoon of chaat masala, half a teaspoon of salt, and about half a liter of water. Give a nice mix. Let us transfer this into a serving glass. Add few ice cubes and serve chill. So here our panna is ready. Join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.